All right, what's up, my people? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know I'm a little bit late this week with my video, a couple days late, but I've been thinking about y'all. I'm not gonna leave you hanging. I'm gonna keep the streak going. I always at least release one video a week. You know, so um, as you can see in the background, is you know things have changed drastically around my house. Hey, I got my truck back. That's one good thing. My truck is out of the shop, is fixed. Um, but the weather, and I still don't have my outboard fixed yet. So, um, along with the weather and everything, this is not going to be a fishing video for the day. But I figured I might well take y'all right along with me as we make a run to the store. We're gonna run to my local Bass Pro Shop, and we're gonna go, buy a couple things, some line and a couple little lures and stuff that I plan to use in the future. And I'm just gonna bring y'all all along with me as I do this right here. So sit back, grab you a cup of coffee, chill out. If you're living in the South, whatever, you're probably covered in snow just like I am right now, but I'm out riding in it. I won't let nothing really hold me in the house. Everyone, this is not good. I rode by here earlier, about maybe an hour ago, and there was cars in the parking lot. It wasn't many, but it looked like the store was open. So I don't really know. Don't really know at all. But it's definitely not open now. Um, so sorry I can't take y'all all along with me today to go in Bass Pro Shop. Can't get in unless I break in or whatever, but can't do that. So let's see what I'm gonna do next. Well, I guess that pretty much tells me exactly what happened. It closed at 12 o'clock. Man, so I must have seen, when I rode by early, it must have been the very last minute. Well, looks like it's going to be strike two for me. Uh, this is not going well. This is not going well. Not sure if y'all can read that right there, but it said that Academy closed at 2 p.m. Yeah, as you can see right there, I'm 28 minutes late. This is not going well at all. Now, there's a Walmart down the street, but I'm going to be honest, I don't want to go in there and do the Walmart thing today. Um, I really don't know another store right now that's close by that I can maybe find what I'm looking for outside of these two stores right here without having to go too far. So, unfortunately, y'all, that's going to do it for today. Maybe I can take y'all along with me the next time I'm out and about going in the store to, buy some lures or whatever, whether bass fishing or any other kind of fishing. I thought today would be a good day, but this weather has got everything closing down early. The only places I think that are open now, maybe a couple of restaurants or whatever, but outside of the grocery stores, I'm not sure if anything's gonna be open. So I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for coming along this little short journey with me, and I'll see you all next week.